Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered how tons of earth and soil are transported at large construction sites? In this video, we will show you the second part of the largest dump trucks in operation, which are capable of transporting huge amounts of materials at a time. You are on the Car Show channel. Enjoy watching! A manufacturing company from Slovenia is ready to present a new model of the ATF mining equipment dump truck. The dump truck is built on a modular basis. Its parts can be rearranged and combined depending on the production need. You can add additional batteries or equipped with additional motor wheels, or vice versa, remove them. It is possible to assemble cars into a road train by removing cabs from all dump trucks and leaving only one on the leader. Moreover, all parts of the road train still have the engine and the ability to control it from the head car. It is planned that there will be modifications with running gear from 2 to 8 axles. With a corresponding change in machine length and load capacity, the dump truck can carry from 180 to 760 metric tons. All wheels are driven and steerable, which also makes it possible to implement the so-called crab run. The most interesting thing, since all the drive wheels are steerable, this makes the car super maneuverable. The turning radius of the 2-axle section is 20 and 7 meters, and the 8-axle section is 40 and 9 meters. This giant needs a road only 24 meters wide, which is 3 and 6 meters less than for existing equipment of a similar class. The Swedish company introduced the Scania Axle unmanned truck. This car not only moves without the help of a driver, it doesn't even have a traditional cabin. The absence of a driver's cabin allowed the designers to make better use of the available space, highlighting it to increase the cargo compartment. The truck is controlled by an intelligent logistics system, so Scania Axle receives precise instructions on how much cargo to deliver where and when, so that production doesn't stand idle. A full set of cameras, radars and sensors allows this monster to easily find the way, moving in a given direction. The absence of a cab made it possible to significantly reduce the height of the truck, so that it became noticeably easier to load it. Scania Axle is by no means electric, but has an internal combustion engine and it emits a minimum of harmful substances into the atmosphere, because it runs out on renewable biofuels. Crest 200C3 coal hauler. It is one of the most unusual dump trucks. Produced by an American manufacturer of off-road vehicles, the dump truck is something like a coal factory on wheels. This is the so-called bottom dump truck. It has the highest payload to weight ratio, the lowest cost of transporting 1 ton material and the ability to develop the highest speed up to 68 km per hour. He is the owner of a rather low landing. It is equipped with an incredible power engine, 1556 kilowatts, and a 2001 liter fuel tank. With a body volume of 228 cubic meters and a carrying capacity of 220 tons, this colossus is incredibly maneuverable. Soft, smooth and actually able to spin in place as its nitrogen-filled wheels are capable of turning 85 degrees. The truck's spatial chassis design significantly reduces vibration transmitted to the cab when driving over uneven ground, and maintains an even distribution of the load on all wheels. The compensated suspension absorbs shocks and allows the truck to ride as if on a pillow or thin air. And of course, the biggest feature of the dump truck is its body of the original design, the rigidity of which is provided by a complex system of 4 ribs located at the 4 corners of the body. This construction, as well as the placement of welds in areas of low stress, reduces its own weight, guarantees high impact resistance and increases service life. Komatsu IHAVA. The Japanese unit is equipped with a 2700 horsepower engine, can move forward and backward at the same speed, 4-wheel drive and control of both turning and rotation of all 4 wheels. These options reduce truck loading and unloading times and minimize site work by eliminating the need to turn the truck around. The transmission is represented by 4 electric motors, dynamic brake, modified final drives and generator. The load capacity of the autonomous dump truck is 230 tons, operating weight 416 tons. It is worth noting that this monster is the first dump truck with an electromechanical transmission. Belaz 75710. Truck Monster, the largest in the world. It is capable of carrying 450 tons of cargo at a time. The length of this giant reaches 20 meters, the height is 8 and 16 meters, and the width is almost 10 meters. Two all-wheel drive diesel engines provide special equipment with power up to 8,500 horsepower. The car moves on 8 wheels, which guarantee excellent cross-country ability of vehicles in difficult areas. Each pneumatic tire can withstand a weight of 102 tons. This truly monstrous truck has a diesel-electric transmission. Two 16-cylinder diesel engines run a generator that produces electricity to power 4 electric motors. Estimated fuel consumption is 1300 liters per 100 kilometers. An unloaded car can run on one of its 4 engines. The maximum speed of a truck reaching a height of 8 and 2 meters is 64 km per hour. Moreover, it can reach speeds of 40 km per hour when moving up the surface with a slope of 10%. In addition to this, it is able to overcome short sections of the path even within an inclination of 18%. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. The Cars Show team was with you. Goodbye.